The Serial Dilemma, Meera's Quest for Harmony. How a Jaipur household turned TV serials into a catalyst for unity and learning. In a quaint neighborhood of Jaipur, where ancient palaces whispered stories of the past, lived Meera, a housewife whose world revolved around her family and the daily serials that flickered on her television screen. The serials and their grand tales of love and life were her escape, a slice of drama amid the hum of her daily routine. But Meera's escape soon became a reflection of a troubling reality. The serials, with their larger-than-life characters, began to color her worldview. The villain's deceit and the hero's bravery bled from the screen into her conversations, shaping her opinions and judgments. One day, Meera stumbled upon a heated episode of a reality show where words were weapons and empathy was a forgotten virtue. The aggression on display gnawed at her, unsettling the balance of her gentle nature. She saw a flicker of this televised hostility mirrored in her children, who clashed with echoes of the on-screen drama. Meera was disturbed by this imitation and wondered how much power these serials had over her family. It was a silent adversary she had invited into her home, one that subtly shifted the dynamics of her family's interactions. The problem was as clear as the bright Jaipur sky. The shows that provided solace were now sowing discord. Determined to restore harmony, Meera embarked on a mission to transform her family's viewing habits. She curated a list of educational programs and insisted on shared viewing times where discussions could flourish over scenes watched. The family watched programs that embraced science, the natural world, and heritage. This sparked a shared curiosity that replaced passive consumption. As weeks turned into months, the change was palpable. Conversations at the dinner table grew richer, filled with facts from documentaries instead of gossip from serials. Meera's children began to emulate the explorers and thinkers they saw on screen, their aspirations climbing higher than the kites that dotted their city's skyline. Meera's story was a small victory against a tide that many households navigated. She found that the key to change lay not in shunning the screen, but in choosing what illuminated it. In doing so, she reclaimed the narrative, steering her family towards a future where television was a tool for learning and growth, a beacon that guided rather than misguided. Her journey was a testament to the silent power of choice in an age of noise, a reminder that in every home lies the potential to turn stories into stepping stones for something greater. Revelations. What is it? The pervasive power of television shapes minds and molds society, with daily serials influencing the collective psyche and individual behavior in countless homes. Why is it important? Awareness of the media's effect is crucial. It can either foster negative stereotypes or inspire positive change, depending on the narrative and audience interpretation. How to get started? Cultivating an understanding of media consumption can lead to a more informed and engaged viewership, turning passive watching into an opportunity for family bonding and education. The point. Steering content choices can transform television from a mere distraction into a beacon of positive influence. The end.